Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will discuss about page block and page block section. Page block used to create section within the page. In that section, we can add buttons, tables, links, etc. And another is the page block section. Page block section used to create section inside the page block. Let's see example how we can use page block and page block section. Here I am create one page, hello world. In that page I am create two section. Here I am write apex page block. In that page block section page block section. In page block I am write title of page block is first block. Write title in double quote. Yeah, we can see first block section is created. After that I am add some section within that block. Page block section and title of page block section is first section. In this block section I am add some atoms. Use apex page block section atom. Here I am write first atom English and save this. We can see here first section first item is English. After that I am at section in that second item is Hindi and third item is Marathi. Save this. We can see first section is successfully created. Similarly, we can create another block. I am simply copy this code and paste here. Here I am write title second block. Save this. Here close page apex page block. Save this. Okay. Second block is also created. Here is page block section title is second section, and item of second section is I'm right here www.xyz.com. Second item is abc.com, and third item is uvw.com, and save this. We can see two sections are successfully created. In this way we can create number of sections in our page by using page block and page block section tags. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.